Around Daytona Beach, Florida, 7:31 up here in the Buckeye with the wave.
Hello there, morning time to you, 7:31 round the Buckeye waving. Hello there, good morning time to you, 7:31 round the Buckeye. You want double 30 miles north of Daytona Beach, Florida, gonna wave the four fingers and the golden thumb right back at you.
Ain't no doubt about it, man. You're booming in up here in the Buckeye State today, down there around Florida for sure. Hey, man, till we talk again, have another good day from 7:31, and we'll be standing by.
Bye, 7:31. Like you, me too, I'm standing by. Bye, 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 bye.
No doubt about it, man. Oh, you're worldwide, man. No doubt about it. You're definitely worldwide, man. You're coming in here like gangbusters in the Buckeye for sure.
I got my house pointed right at you. I got my house pointed right at you. That's why I'm worldwide right about now. Oh, 188. 1,000 watts. Got down. Around Daytona Beach, Florida.
Man, you got me over in the strawberry patch there, 188. You got me over there in that strawberry patch, man. That's N2. So 2970 N2, man, you're making it easy for me to pick you up. No doubt about it.
Right there, right back. I can bring it up a little. I can keep bringing it up.
Oh, you brought it up, man. You brought it up. Now you're going to use it.
Bye.
731 North Central Buckeye on this old ground plane just got down.
Bye, 731. That ground plane's still working. That ground plane's still working. I'm receiving you good on my 4-element flat side. Oh, 188 said pow. Back quiet. We'll catch you later, maybe. You have a real